Hello internet world, welcome to my review of the Chilkey ND75 Assembled Edition. This was very kindly sent in free of charge by the manufacturer. No money's changed hands. They haven't asked me to say anything in particular. I'm simply sharing this video with you so you can make an informed buying decision. So this is the box it comes in. Really nice sort of tech looking box. On the side here you can see this is the Assembled Edition. It's got a 1.6mm PCB and a non-flex cut hot swap. I think that refers to the switches. And this is also the pure white version. It is available also in jet black, elegant purple and mountain blue. So really nice packaging. And this is what the keyboard looks like. Absolutely stunning. Really very impressed. Especially when you first open this, it just the look of the keyboard in this really contrasting colour combination really does look nice. Now inside the box, apart from the keyboard itself, you do get a little teeny tiny screwdriver. You also get some different feet to go on the bottom of the keyboard. You also get these. I'm not sure what these are. These are the silica gel mounts, so you can mount different things in this keyboard. There's also a little, when you open it, it's obviously shrunk wrap, and there's this sticker on the side just here near the screen, and it says it's got a fragile cable. There is also this spare cable included inside the box, so I assume that when you're taking the keyboard apart to make some changes, this is the fragile cable, so they do include a spare one inside the pack. Also there is a USB receiver on here, and then we have also got some little teeny tiny screws which are going to help you if you're changing things up inside the keyboard. I should mention the reason you got this is because it is a wireless keyboard. You can use it wired or wireless, 2.4 gigahertz or Bluetooth as well. We get a really nice cable. Love the design of this. It's not braided, but very nice quality, nice thick gauge, and I really like the way they've done the sort of termination on the ends, USB-A and USB-C. So really nice quality cable. There's also two sheets of paper. One has got the sort of specifications and how to change settings on the keyboard. This includes things like lighting effects, Bluetooth and 2.4 gigahertz connection, and also how to switch between Windows and Mac. That's really important. Now one thing I will just comment on, it's not a deal breaker, you can switch between Windows and Mac, but there's no additional Mac keycaps included inside the box. So this is set up for Windows with the Win and Alt keys here. It would be really nice if they gave you the option or just included them in the packaging, the Mac keys inside as well. But nonetheless, we also get this here, which is some instructions or quick start guide. So this is how to get the keyboard up and running, and also how to actually go into silent mode, turn the volume up and down, etc. Let's move on. We've got cherry profile keycaps on here. Really nice 75% compact keyboard. Full metal chassis, so it's a really heavy keyboard as well. Beautifully made. If I just give you a side profile, you can see that really nice side profile. If I give you a look on the back, we've got this metal plate on the bottom. These are the little holes where you're going to put those rubberized feet. USB-C connection on the back, of course. Really nice profile to the keys as well. Really a very nice looking keyboard. Now the color combination we got here, so this is described as white, and it is white, but I would say this is more of like an icy white. So it's got a slight, very slight grey blue tinge to it, and then we've got the bright white keycaps on here, and then the contrasting black, or yeah, they are quite a deep black. I was going to say grey, really dark grey, but they are a nice deep black actually, and then the symbols really do stand out nicely on the keyboard. And then here you've got the tiny screen just here, so I'll show you that turned on very shortly. So really nice looking keyboard, substantial, very solid, really good when it's on the desk. Before I plug it in actually, let's have a listen to how this sounds. Wow. The actual sort of way the keyboard responds is really nice. Got a nice amount of travel to the keys. They feel really nicely shaped as well. Perfect spacing. A really nice typing experience. Both for productivity and gameplay, I think this is a very, very nice keyboard to use. Now, just to mention, there are 3 mounting systems that you can use in here. You've got split O-ring mounting. You've got Silica Gel Particle Mounting and also top mounting as well, so do bear that in mind. And you use those additional little mounting parts that I showed you to change things up. There is a video on the manufacturer's website showing you how you can actually do this. We've got multi-system compatibility, so Windows, Mac, Linux, even Android as well. And it's just a really nicely built keyboard. We've got per key RGB on this as well, and I think that's a really nice time for me to show you how this looks with the backlighting and that screen turned on. So here we go. We've now got this plugged in to my laptop that's just off screen here, and you can see the really gorgeous backlighting. You can obviously cycle through various modes on the backlighting, but this gives you a nice idea of how evenly it's lit. Give you a closer look at this. Really nice backlighting on this. Absolutely stunning. And then as we move across, you will see we've got the little tiny screen on the right hand side here. Shows the current date and time, and also the battery percentage. We're at 64%. We've also got some little icons which change depending upon which mode you're in. It will also change if, for example, you switch between Windows and Mac mode. So really useful informational screen. Some screens on keyboards are a little bit of a gimmick. This one, I find it nice and clear. I really like the position of it, and I think it's a useful little screen to be on the keyboard. It gives you some nice information. So overall, a really nice keyboard, and I think that we've got a really good option here for if you want a solid built keyboard, something that's good for gaming. You've got that nice responsive feel to the keycaps, also something that you can customize a little bit as well, and something that works both on Windows, Mac, Linux, and also Android. And at the same time, it's not going to cost you a lot of money. They've kept the price down on this one, and I think that really has to be applauded. This is a fantastic keyboard in every respect. I'm very, very impressed. If you want to pick up one of these for yourself, please do check out the links down in the video description. Please do hit that like button if you enjoyed the video, and please do subscribe to the channel. It really does help me out. I'll see you in another video very, very soon.